Dear students of class 10 ICSE students, you are welcome in chemistry classes by KK Singh. Today we will study how to determine molecular formula when percentage composition and vapor density are given. To determine molecular formula, first we have to determine empirical formula. This is the most important part of this topic. Means you will be asked to determine empirical formula when the percentage composition are given. And I have added this in the same question, same problem to make you understand and to summarize the topic. First thing, this can be understood by taking an example. Suppose you have to determine the molecular formula of a compound whose percentage values are C26.59%, hydrogen H2.22%, oxygen 71.19%, and vapor density is 45 given. Also, molecular mass atomic mass of carbon 12, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. First step, in first step we will write a name of the elements, percentage composition, atomic mass, relative number of atoms that will be obtained by dividing the percentage composition by atomic mass. And then we will take simplest whole number ratio later on. First atom is carbon, percentage composition is 26.59, atomic mass is 12. Now hydrogen, percentage composition is 2.22%, atomic mass is 1. Next, oxygen, percentage composition is 71.19%, atomic mass is 16. Now compute or calculate the relative number of atoms in molecule. It will be obtained by dividing the molecular percentage composition 26.59 by 12, 2.22 by 1, and 71.19 by 16. You will get this equal to this will be equal to 2.22, and 12 on dividing it by 12, 26.59, 2. Approximately it will be 2.22. Now divide by 16, 71.19 4.44. Now on dividing this number On dividing 26 by 0.59 by 12, you have got 2.22, and on dividing by 1, you have got 2.22, and this will be on dividing by 16, you have got 4.44. Now to find simplest whole number or simple whole number ratio, the smallest number, these two are smallest number, you can divide this by 2.22 by 2.22, you will get 1. 2.22 by 2.22, you will get 1, and 4.44 by 2.22, you get 2. So C is to H is to O equal to 1 is to 1 is to 2. Therefore, empirical formula is equal to CHO2. This will be in empirical formula. Now we will determine the molecular formula. Now we will calculate molecular formula from this empirical formula, but before it I am going to erase it to provide a space. First we calculate empirical formula mass. Empirical formula is CHO2. That is, empirical formula mass will be equal to 12 plus 1 plus 16 into 2. That is equal to 12, 13 plus 32 equal to 45. This will be empirical formula mass. And molecular formula mass will be 2 into vapor density. 2 into vapor density is given 45. Vapor density is given 45. That is equal to 90. Now we have to find a number, an integer that can be obtained by dividing molecular formula mass by empirical formula mass. N is equal to molecular formula mass by empirical formula mass. That is molecular formula mass 90, empirical formula mass is equal to 45 equal to 2. Now molecular formula of the compound will be empirical formula but into n. Empirical formula into n. Empirical formula is CHO2 into value of n is equal to 2. Now multiply each atom C2H2 O4. This will be molecular formula. Thus, you can obtain molecular formula if the percentage, composition and vapor density are given. For this, first of all, you have to determine the empirical formula which have already been discussed, and then you have to calculate an integer n which is equal to molecular formula mass by empirical formula mass. Molecular formula mass equal to 2 into vapor density. We will study this in next video. How you will prove this 2 into Vd equal to molecular formula mass, you will study in next video. Thus n is equal to 2. Now molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into n. You have multiplied each atom by 2, 2C2H2H4 O4. Thus